If your Ford displays a pre-collision assist not available warning, it means the vehicle has detected a problem with the collision avoidance system. This system uses a forward-facing camera and, on many models, a front radar sensor to monitor traffic ahead and help prevent or reduce frontal collisions. When a fault is detected, the system is temporarily disabled. Common symptoms include the pre-collision assist not available warning, forward collision warning not working, automatic emergency braking becoming unavailable, adaptive cruise control problems, and additional driver assistance warning messages on the dashboard. The most common causes include a dirty windshield blocking the forward camera, a dirty or blocked radar sensor behind the front grille, or forward emblem, heavy rain, snow, ice, low battery voltage, damaged wiring or camera and radar sensors that require recalibration after windshield replacement or collision repairs. Start by cleaning the windshield in front of the forward camera and the front radar sensor. Next, scan the vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes, inspect the battery voltage, and check the wiring and connectors. If the windshield was recently replaced or the vehicle was involved in a collision, the camera or radar sensor may require professional recalibration. After repairs, clear the fault codes and verify the warning does not return.